Hey guys, Jason here at Fast J's in Huntington Beach. Getting ready to do an ASV lever install on this 2019 Softail.
You will need a T25 hex wrench, a T27 hex wrench, and C-clip pliers. Unhook the clutch cable line. Lift up the clutch cable sleeve. Push out the red locking tab to release the clutch cable. Push the clutch cable inward and lock into place. Remove the C-clip from the lever mounting pin. Remove the lever mounting pin. Remove the old clutch lever. Insert the clutch cable eyelet into the ASV lever. Then, insert the supplied cable pin into the ASV lever with a ball side facing up. Insert the ASV lever into the perch. Insert the lever mounting pin. Reinstall the C-clip onto the lever mounting pin. Go back to the clutch cable and unlock it from the adjuster. Pull the clutch cable upward to tighten. Make sure to leave at least 1/8 inch of free play on the clutch lever. Once you have the clutch cable set, lock it in place. Use the sleeve to cover the clutch cable adjuster. Reattach the clutch cable to the bike frame. Adjust the ASV lever to your preference.
Just finished up the lever install, went great. Levers feel great, they're adjustable, adjust them to your liking, and you're on the road, good to go.